Hi guys, I wanted to make a quick video to show you what I think is the best filament storage solution. So I've printed hundreds of them. So you can see here I tried different types like this one, that it goes around the spool and then it tries to protect the spool and hang it. I've also printed this one as well, where the spool is inside through a rod and then it spins freely and it can come out at the end. Now what's happening there is that there is a lot of pieces when you do this. You also have to drill holes on the side, which can be tricky if you get them wrong. And then there is a lot of pieces for that. So here are the pieces. So it's easy to find where they go and make sure that they fit. There's a lot of items to print as well. So I recently came through this from Printables, and is one pack with everything you need, including the thermostat, the place for the spool holder, and a place to store the desiccant. So you just basically put it on top and then it spins freely. Now my idea is that I want to have this into a storage box, and so I've got this box that I was using with the spool in the middle, and I got rid of that, and now I can just simply place this inside like that and then place the spool inside, and then I have a full working solution for my spool. Now what it is great about this as well is that it fits many different types of filaments. So usually these ones, cardboard ones, are quite big and hard to fit in places. When I was using the rod across, it would hit the walls on the side, but now it just fits perfectly and then it spins freely as it should. I might need to add a little bit more oil to the bearings to make it smoother, but it's already pretty good. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Pretty easy, one piece print, and then you have your filament store. Now a small issue with my boxes is that they actually have a dot at the bottom, as you can see there, these dots. Now this dot pops up inside, which means that the filament is not flat, or the filament holder is not flat. So what I've done to correct that is I put a little bit of weather stripping underneath to make sure that it sits on that rather than in the middle here bumping against that dot. That also means that it won't slip when I start pulling the filament, and potentially offer a little bit more stability. Just wanted to share that. So I think it's a great print. You should try it. Let me know what you think.